EFCC Manhunt, 26-year-old wanted for stealing agency vehicle. The anti-graft agency has declared a 26-year-old man wanted for allegedly stealing one of their vehicles. Ibrahim Mohammed, hailing from Adamawa State, is now the subject of a nationwide search. The EFCC's head of media and publicity, Wale Oyewale, made the announcement earlier today. Mohammed is wanted in connection with theft and unlawful possession of an EFCC vehicle. However, details about how he acquired the vehicle remain unclear. The agency has released a photograph of Mohammed and is calling on the public for assistance. His last known address was 56 Jakpa Bariki Road in Adamawa State. The EFCC is urging anyone with information on Mohammed's whereabouts to come forward. They can contact any EFCC office across the country to reach out to the nearest police station. The case raises questions about security measures within the EFCC and how a vehicle from such a high-profile agency could be stolen. As this story develops, we'll bring you updates on the search for Ibrahim Mohammed and any new details that emerge about this unusual theft. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more updates.